this is Katie from Fulfilled Passport Travel, here to talk about our recent trip to Adventures on the Gorge in Lansing, West Virginia. So it's about a 5 to 6 hour drive from the Washington, D.C. area, and it's in the mountains, so you do have some steep and windy roads to get there, but it does have gorgeous views of a bridge, and it's got almost like a whole campus. So we were there during COVID-19, and it's pretty well marked when you drive in. They have a building for check-in, and they had a plexiglass screen, so that separated us from the person on staff. We were given a map of the whole area, although in the winter a lot of the amenities are closed except for the lodging itself. So we got a cabin, and it has its own bathroom. They do have other cabins that don't have their own bathrooms, but they were not open for the winter. So you can rent those out in the summertime, but not in the winter. So we got a fully enclosed cabin with a bathroom, and it came with heat and AC, which I'll show you in the cabin tour. So that's up next. We'll show you the features of the cabin that we booked. Hi everybody, we're here at Adventures on the Gorge in Lansing, West Virginia in February of 2021. So come on in. We are in the Kaymoor cabins. We have a shared porch. This is our door that we also share with share another entrance over there with somebody else that we don't know. We've got, this is the room key. So I'll show you how we get in. Just hold that up on your little wristband. We step up. And here we are. It's all wood. This looks really nice in here. So we've got a mini fridge, we've got a microwave here, some hooks, that's the bathroom in there. We have this nightstand with, check out this detail on this lamp, little pine cone and antlers on there, it's pretty cool. And we've got convenient right here, right next to the bed, some plugs and even some USB plugs, which is really convenient for charging your phone. We have these, I love dark shades, so these have a bit of darkness to them. This is a king size bed and a nice big screen TV on the wall that you can watch right from the bed, and a little ottoman here that you can sit on and move around. We have a desk over here with our styrofoam cups so you can make your own coffee. They provide some Maxwell House ground coffee with sugar and stirs. A little lamp and a chair here. Another thing why we're here in the winter is because this comes with heat and AC. So we have the heat running right now because I think it's in the 30s or 40s outside. So we have another nightstand over here. And this one's a little harder to reach here, these outlets. It's kind of hidden by the bed. But you might be able to plug something in on the side there. And over in that corner, we have a little luggage bench and some more racks so you can hang up your jackets. This is a little closet. There's no racks in there, but just a dustpan and a broom in case you need to clean anything up. And then just the last thing to show you is the bathroom. So it's got this wooden sliding door for your bathroom. Nice, pretty big bathroom, tall ceilings. A nice feature too is a hair dryer. So don't always expect that in a cabin. We have our soaps. We've got some complimentary shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and soap. Nice display of towels here. And a pretty nice tub, a full tub and shower with a nice large shower head and drying racks. So that is the Kaymoor cabins at Adventures on the Gorge. So I hope you enjoyed the room tour of the Kaymoor cabins. I'll share some other pictures from around the resort area. There's a restaurant. It was closed right now, but we did see the outdoor dining area, which had a lovely view of the river below. I can imagine that would be wonderful in the spring, summer, and fall, just not open in the winter. And they have some lookout points where you can see the nearby bridge and national park area with the river. And we were able to see the pool. Obviously, it's not open in the summer, but there's a nice lookout point right off of the pool property as well, so you have nice views right from there. And there were some kids' playground area and a kids' camp on site. And the main activities there in the spring through the fall and summer are whitewater rafting is the big draw. That's huge in the whole area. And you can do treetop canopy, like a high ropes course. And there's zip lining as well. So none of this was open while we were there, but these are fun activities for you to do when it's a little bit warmer out. And we will do another video to talk about activities in Lansing and Fayetteville, West Virginia, and the surrounding area. Some hikes that we did, and state parks, and the national park. So it's a good outdoorsy place to go. In the winter, just be aware it could be snowy, icy. But if you're interested in setting up a trip this summer, you can schedule a complimentary consultation call with us. We'd be happy to talk to you about a future trip to this area and what we liked about it and get you set up for your adventure trip. All right, well, we hope to talk to you soon. Take care.